Hi guys, today's video is going to be a relaxing after dark power hour clean with me. I know it's so easy to want to put your feet up and unwind, especially if you had a long day or even after you put your kids to sleep. I know I fall victim to this all the time, but I promise you, if you spend even just 1 hour prepping your house for the next day, you are going to feel so much better. So I hope you enjoy this video and you find it to be motivating to get up and clean along with me.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens.
Can you believe that today is the last day of November and we have 31 days before it is the end of a decade? It's not just the end of a year, it is the end of an entire decade, which is so crazy to me. Around this time, yes, I love the holidays, but I do start thinking about how I want to be a better person or grow and mature into the new year. Let me know what you guys are planning on doing. Are you looking to just maybe do more good out in the world, or maybe be more productive, or take time out of your daily schedule or busy schedule, especially as a mom, and make time for yourself? Let me know what some of your New Year's resolutions are down below.
You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you
So this particular day, Riley was eating some oyster crackers and she decided that she wanted to spill the whole entire bag onto the bed. So that's why you're going to see me using the handheld vacuum to clean that up before putting on a new sheet set and bedding.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. Back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
Once I was finished cleaning the playroom, I then headed into the family room to Swiffer the floor. Now, I will say I do have a love-hate relationship with this product, and I'm going to tell you why. Because I love the convenience of it. You don't have to worry about getting like a separate pail, fill it with water, put your product in like you would a mop. However, I do find that when I'm using the product, I will find little like white spots on the floor the next day after everything has dried. Has this happened to you guys as well? Or maybe it's just something I'm doing wrong. I have no idea.
What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by for another video. And if this is your first time here, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube family. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it to be motivating. And I will catch you guys in a couple days in another video. Bye.
You know you are the reason why I feel like I can't